They said the poor never dream, but every scar tells a story. Every tear carries a prayer, and every dark night still waits for the morning light. Rain dripping through the rooftop slowly, Mama on her knees asking God to provide. Papa on the roadside chasing tomorrow, with worn out slippers and pain in his eyes. Children sleeping hungry beside each other, still smiling like the world is alright, holding on to faith like a treasure, praying for a miracle every night. And when the cold wind blows through the fire, they still stand strong through the pressure. No gold chains, no fancy lifestyle, but love made the family richer. And though the storm kept falling harder, their faith refused to die, because the same God watching the wealthy still hears the poor man cry. Oh, light after the rain will shine, even wounded hearts heal with time. Hand in hand through the darkest nights, love and faith keep hope alive. Oh, we were born to rise. 'Tis today, tomorrow, paradise. Hard work, prayer, and sacrifice will lead us to a brighter life. A young boy met a girl by the roadside, selling fruits underneath the blazing sun. Her smile carried peace in the chaos, like moonlight after the damage was done. He said, one day I'll make it through honest later. No stealing, no blood on my hands. She whispered, real love is built through patience, not the riches this world demands. Together they fought through suffering, no food sometimes, no place to rest. Yet every little thing they shared turned their emptiness into blessings. Late nights walking through the dust, dreaming beyond the pain they knew. Two tired souls with fearless hearts, still believing God pulls people through. Fairy tales are not always kingdoms, sometimes they are people who never quit. Sometimes true queens wear broken slippers, and kings survive through suffering a bit. God builds stars from shattered pieces, turns deep wounds into victories. Every scar becomes a testimony, every pain rewrites the story. So if you feel life has forgotten you, and the world keeps closing doors, remember diamonds come from pressure, and peace is born from wars. Oh, light after the rain, every dark road has a finish line. Hold my hand through the stormy weather, through faith and love we rise together.